Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of geometry to figure out how to measure the area of a triangle. Triangles are everywhere around us, in architecture, nature, design. Knowing how to calculate their area is actually a pretty important and useful skill. But how do you figure out how much space this shape actually takes up? There are a few different ways to tackle this. The most basic method is built on understanding that a triangle is simply half of a parallelogram or a rectangle that has the exact same base and height. This is where the main formula comes from. The area is half the product of the base times the height. We write it like this: A equals 1/2 times B times H. The base, B, can be any side you pick. The height, H, is the perpendicular line dropped down from the opposite corner straight down to that base, or its extended line. Let's look at an example. A right triangle with a base of 4 inches and a height of 3 inches. The area is 4 times 3 divided by 2 equals 6 square inches. But what about other types of triangles? Obtuse ones, equilateral ones, random ones? In an obtuse triangle, the height line might actually drop outside the main shape onto the extended baseline. The formula is still the same. 5 times 6 divided by 2 equals 15. For an equilateral triangle, where all sides are equal, there's a specific quick formula if you only know the side length A. Area equals A squared times square root of 3 divided by 4. If you know two sides and the angle in between them, you can use trigonometry. A equals 1/2 times A times B times sine of C. For instance, sides 6 and 10 with a 30-degree angle, area equals 0.5 times 6 times 10 times 0.5 equals 15. What if you only know all three sides and don't have a height or any angles? Enter Heron's formula. First, you find the semi-perimeter, P, that's half the total perimeter. Then you plug it all into this long but super useful formula. Let's try the classic 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Semi-perimeter is 6. Area is the square root of 36, which is just 6. Check it out! We got the exact same answer as the basic formula. 3 times 4 divided by 2. Math always works out. For you folks working with graphs and coordinates, there's actually another formula using the vertices. It's a bit much for doing by hand, but it's perfect if you're programming or solving problems in analytical geometry. So there you have it, a bunch of powerful tools for calculating the area of any triangle. The main thing is picking the right tool for the job based on the info you've got. Practice makes perfect with these methods, so you gotta give them a shot. Try solving this one on your own. Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. Hope this video helped you out. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and grab your free worksheets via the link in the description. Peace out.